Catherine from Collier County Public Library. So I decided I didn't want to stop at the grocery store tonight, and I knew I had some scallops in the freezer. So defrosted some scallops about a half an hour ago and looked through my recipe books and see what I could find that I had most of the ingredients here for. So I found a recipe for brown buttered scallops with cherry tomatoes in Tieghan Gerard's super simple cookbook. I'm going to start by making the pasta. I've got the water boiling for that, and in the meantime I put together all the ingredients. So I've got 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, I've got the 1 pound of scallops, salt and pepper, I've got 4 garlic cloves that I smashed, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. I also have some crushed red pepper flakes, a 1/4 tablespoon of salted butter, a 1/4 cup of Sauvignon Blanc, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 2 chives that I cut up, and I just zested or grated and zested the outside of 1 lemon. So tonight I'm trying a gluten-free pasta. I haven't tried this type of gluten-free pasta before. I usually use a quinoa pasta, but I'm going to try cauliflower pasta tonight. Take my scallops and place them in the hot oil. So I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan, and then I added the scallops, and I added a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to brown on each side for about 3 minutes. And it's smelling good. The scallops have cooked on each side about 3 minutes, so now I'm going to remove the scallops from the pan. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. After the garlic and the thyme and the red pepper flakes have browned, that's about 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to add the 4 tablespoons of butter. It smells wonderful. And now I'm going to add my cherry tomatoes. And we'll cook these until they're ready to pop open. I'm just waiting for the tomatoes to blister. A couple of them have started, but they're still pretty firm. I'm going to let them go for another minute. I'm going to return the scallops to the heat. Warm them up again. Give them a little flavor with the brown butter sauce. So I put my pasta in the bowl, and now I'm going to spoon in my scallops and tomatoes and finish off with some of the brown butter sauce.